Hi everyone and welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make beautiful coasters using decoupage printed tissue. So let's begin. These are MDF coasters. The first step is to apply gesso to all your coasters. This is a base color. I have shown how to make gesso at home in my earlier videos. So you can check the I button top right corner. We will apply gesso on the front, back and at the sides of the coasters. Once done, we leave it to dry. Once dried completely, I will apply white acrylic color all over. I will repeat this process for all my 6 coasters and wait for it to dry. All my coasters are completely dried. Let me show you some of my printed tissue collection. I have selected 3 of these beautiful prints. So let me explain. Some of the tissues will have 1 ply or 2 ply. This tissue has 2 ply, so we will have to remove it. Once this is done, we will have to cut a little extra from all the sides than the coaster size. As you can see here, we will start by applying some Mod Podge glue. Place the cut printed tissue on top of the coaster. Then place a plastic sheet on top of the tissue. Now, with the help of your fingers, just dab a little on the entire tissue. This is done in order to remove the air bubbles. You can also use a dry sponge or a dry brush instead of using your fingers. Repeat this process for all the sides. And it will come out easily like this. To make it look a little more beautiful, I am going to paint the borders with gold. This is totally optional. You can paint the borders with whichever color you like depending on the tissue color. Now in the same way, you can make your other coasters ready. Now leave your coasters for a few hours to dry completely. Once this is done, we'll apply Mod Podge glue on all the coasters. This is done to seal your coasters well. Leave all your coasters to dry for a few hours. Once dried completely, now we will do our last step, which is we will seal all our coasters with varnish. Varnish gives a good shine and will protect your work from water. Our coasters are now dried and are ready. This is how it looks. Don't they look beautiful? You can make these beautiful coasters during Christmas or birthday parties using Christmas themed tissues or birthday themed tissues and give them to your loved ones. I'm sure they're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification of my upcoming videos. Take care and stay blessed always. Bye bye.